Hi everybody, this is Chef Rohan from France, and today we're going to make a very classic recipe of chicken wings on the barbecue. Chicken wings, I will do three sorts of chicken wings. It's really easy to do because I received three different rubs from Cosmo. I have received the wing dust buffalo, like the buffalo wings, the honey barbecue, and the garlic and parmesan rub. These are fantastic on wings. You will see the color, you will see the different color and the kind of dust that is. And on some I will put some glaze, and on the honey barbecue because they are very, very sweet, no peppers at all. So I will put a bit of glaze on top, and that's it. We will just smoke the wings. Sorry, we will just smoke the wings at 225 Fahrenheit degrees, so 110 Celsius degrees, and that's it until an internal temperature of 74 Celsius degrees, which is about 150 Fahrenheit degrees. Okay. So let's go, just split the 2022 wings that I received in three parts, and let's rub them. So I split the wings in three parts. I have 21 wings, so it's a perfect count. 3 times 7 wings. On the first one I will put the garlic and parmesan rub. Okay, on the wings you can remove the wing tip, the end of the wing. You can remove it. It's not necessary, but you can do it if it's easier for you. So these are the garlic and parmesan, the honey barbecue, and the buffalo wings. Okay, so I will let them rest for maybe 1 hour in the fridge. The time for me to switch the Pit Boss Navigator on and to let it heat up until 225 Fahrenheit degrees, so which is about 110 Celsius degrees. All right. Here we go with the honey barbecue. I didn't put anything on the wings. They just came out like that from the smoker. Here we get the garlic parmesan. Okay. And here the buffalo wings that I glazed with the Suckle Buster peach barbecue sauce, just to cut the heat just a bit. So here we go with some blue cheese dressing for the buffalo wings, and some peach barbecue sauce for those that want to add some sugar on the honey barbecue wings. All right. So now you have seen how easy it is to make smoked chicken wings on the barbecue. Just a bit of rub and 225 Fahrenheit degrees for maybe 1 hour and a half, and that's it. And the result is almost perfect. All right, thank you for watching this video. I hope you appreciate. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.